Hello students, myself Anand I teach mathematics to GMAT, GRE and SAT students. Today my plan is to teach you a very important question of GMAT. Let us begin. So this is the question. If two distinct integers a and b are picked from 1, 2, 3 till 100 and multiplied, what is the probability that the resulting number has exactly 3 factors? So first of all, we will see that how to pick two numbers out of first 100 integers. So total outcomes are when you pick two numbers out of 100. So we apply combination 100C2, which gives me 100 times 99 by 2. That is 50 times 99, so 4950. Now, next part is we need to pick those two numbers should be, when multiplied, should have exactly 3 factors, right? So let us take few cases and observe that whether they are favorable or not. So first case is when I take two composite numbers. If I take two composite numbers, say number 4 and number 6, let me take two composite numbers, number 4 and 6, and multiply, I get 24, right? So this 24 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. It is more than 3 factors, much more than 3 factors. So this case is ruled out, that is we cannot have two composite numbers. Okay. Next part is, let me think of two prime numbers. So let us take two prime numbers as say 2 and 3, and when I multiply them I get 6, and 6 has how many factors? 1, 2, 3 and 6. It again has more than 3 factors, so this is also ruled out. Third case is when I will take one prime and one composite, say 2 and 4, and multiply, I will get 8. So obviously it will have more than 3 factors, say 1, 2, 4 and 8. So this is also ruled out. So if I take two prime numbers, then it is not possible to get 3 factors. If I take two composite numbers, then also it is not possible. If I take one prime and one composite, then also it is not. So what I will do, there is one more case. If I take one number as number 1, another number as a square of a prime number, say 2 square. That is, I am taking two numbers 1 and 4, right? Then when I multiply them, I will get 4, which has how many factors? 1, 2 and 4, which has exactly 3 factors. It means 1 and 4 is one such possibility. Let me take another. First is again number 1. Another is the square of the prime number, say 3. 3 square gives me 9. So 1 into 3 is 9, and 9 has 1, 3 has 9. Again 3 prime factors. So the second possibility of two numbers which will give me the product having 3 factors, exactly 3 factors, is 1 and 9. Third possibility can be, say 1 and 5 square, say 25. So I get 1 into 5 square, that is 1 into 25. So I have 1, 5 and 25. So third case, let I take one more, 1 and 7 square. So that gives me 1 and 49. So 1 times 7 square is 49, which has exactly 3 factors again, 1, 7 and 49. Let me check more. So if I take another prime number, which is 11, 1 into 11 square is 121. This is not possible because 121 is more than 100. You have to select the numbers only from the first 100 numbers. So we have only 4 possibilities, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the 4 possibilities. So required probability will be 4 out of total possible outcomes. I think total were 4950. And when I calculate it, I get 2 over 2, 4, 7 and 5. So this is the final answer, right? So if you require any help in GMAT, GRE or SCT, do contact me on the numbers given below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.